All right, now we're going to talk about lights. How to add lights to your scene. So if I'm in the middle of my scene, I zoom way out, you'll notice that I already have 6 lights automatically in my scene. You can click on any of those lights and you can edit them, but you can also click the lights here, you can click them in your scene, and you'll notice that you can manipulate them individually here, but you can also turn them on and off. You can turn a light on and off simply by clicking it, or you can turn all the lights off in a group simply by clicking them. So what that allows you to do is light things up. So we're going to add our primitive shape again. We're going to add we'll do a tetrahedron. Sure, perfect. We're going to do a tetrahedron and we're going to show you how the lights impact this shape. So I'm going to grab a light. Its inspector panel opens automatically and I'm going to turn around so you can see what that light does to the object. Obviously it's white light, and each one of these lights is a sun. It shines in every direction. There's no manipulation of it. It just shines in every direction. So if you have an object on the other side of the light, it will light equally as well. You can change the light's colors. So for example, if I make it red, you'll see the more intense the light is, the redder the object gets. I can add blue on this side, for example, and you'll see a nice kind of beautiful blue and red glow to my shape. Okay, and if I, for example, start to add more colors in, I grab my light at the top here, and let's say, for example, I want to make that green, right? You'll notice as I change the intensity of the green, it's actually manipulating the 2 other colors and giving a color blend mixing. Okay, so you can get some really, really nice effects with this, and it's really super simple. Now, if you want to add an additional light, you simply go over here, you've got add video, add light. So you click the light, it'll add a light in your scene. You can grab that light, you can change it any color you want. We'll make a nice pink one here, and you can change the colors as required. And of course you can move the light anywhere you want in the scene. And if I add it to this object group, and what an object group is very simply this. Over here you have add video, lights, cameras, HUDs, configurations, and then this is an object group. And all it is a folder that allows you to put things in. So for example, let's say I'm going to add a second light here, and I'll move that light over here, and I'm going to put those 2 lights into my object group like so. And now what I'm able to do is I'm able to turn those on and off at will, and you'll see it's actually real-time impacting the light, right? And I can also move them together. So if I grab the object group, I can now move things up and down or left and right on any axis together as a group. And the same thing can be done for the other groups of lights, right? And this can be done for any object. It's very, very powerful. I want to move my lights up and down. You can do this for lights, you can do it for objects, but that's what an object group is. So you now have the ability to add a light, add an object group, you can change the lights, and that's how lighting works in our system.